Good morning and welcome to Financial Friday, your end of week financial update from your credit union.
Good morning and welcome. I am Crystal Parker, Financial Education and Community Outreach Ambassador. And this week I'm joined by Chris Williams, our President and CEO. Thank you for joining today, Chris.
Good morning, Crystal. I'm very happy to be here.
This week we're doing something new. We're getting to know the staff of the credit union, and I want to be respectful of everybody's time and jump right in. So tell us what you do here at the credit union, Chris.
Sure, absolutely. Well, first I'll start out by sharing that this March, I've actually been with Henrico Federal Credit Union for 25 years. So very proud of that time that I've been here. Being able to watch our credit union grow and change and prosper over that period of time. My primary role here at the credit union is to really work with our staff and our volunteer board of directors to make sure that we're meeting the financial needs of our members both today and tomorrow, making sure that we have a healthy and strong credit union to meet their financial needs.
What's your favorite part of your job?
Well, luckily I have many. I think probably the thing I like most is being able to be a part of the credit union's evolution, being able to move our credit union forward to better serve our members. Again, not only today, but also to make sure that we're going to be here for them tomorrow as well. And we've done a lot of things together for our members that I think we're all very proud of. Seeing our credit union expand to serve a larger community, offering different products and services that meet their current needs, and just making sure that our credit union has the scale and the presence to really, again, be here for members, not only today, but in the future as well.
That is so true and so good. You've been with the credit union for a long time, so I'm sure you have lots of memories from this time. What's your favorite memory of helping a member?
So again, similar to your prior question, there are many, but I think some of the things that, when I do leave here from the credit union and I look back at my time, it'd probably be some of the smaller things, helping members maybe that were in need, that had a challenge that they were trying to meet, whether that was maybe in the form of a small loan, or maybe they had just gotten their checking account maybe into a bad situation, and being able to work with those members to provide them with some understanding and some direction that help move them into a better spot. Those are things that I really value and have appreciated being able to do for members on a one-on-one basis. Those are the types of things that I will take with me in my memories as we move forward and I move forward into the future.
That is such a special thing to be able to really help people and to see that make a difference. So I'd have to agree with that so much. All right. We always want to do some fun stuff too to get to know somebody. So this is just going to be a rapid fire, just this or that kind of question.
Okay, perfect.
Spring or summer?
I would say spring.
Right. Chain restaurant or local restaurant?
Probably tend to go to more chain restaurants, but do like supporting local restaurants as well. One that my family has kind of fallen in love with recently is actually very near here to our West Broad Street location. Hogshead Cafe has been one of our favorite spots to visit in recent months.
That is good. All right, rain or snow?
100% snow. I love snow. I love being out in snow. And for those here at the credit union that know me well, if it does snow, that means there's an opportunity for me to go out and explore. So snow, absolutely.
All right. Coffee or tea?
Today, for the last few years, it's definitely been coffee. Years prior probably would have been tea, but I've definitely become a coffee fan, and particularly a Starbucks fan. And again, those who know me well know that there's usually almost always a cup of Starbucks coffee on my desk in the morning.
Yes, there is. Audiobook or podcast?
Podcast. I like to walk a lot in the evening. It kind of gives me a chance to kind of just clear my brain a bit, and we all can use a little exercise, and I enjoy listening to podcasts as I walk as a way to just learn a little bit something new, maybe in the 20 to 30 minutes that I'm out walking around the neighborhood.
Oh, I like that. I feel like this is a given, but bank or credit union?
Definitely credit union, and I can say from firsthand experience, as I shared earlier, I have been here at Henrico Federal Credit Union for 25 years. But after college, I actually started out my finance career working for a consumer finance company, and then managing a local community bank branch before making my way here to the credit union. So I have kind of lived in both the banking and the credit union world, and very much think that credit unions are in a spot, in a place that we can really serve our members in different ways than maybe a for-profit bank can. So hands down, credit union.
All right. Country music or hip hop?
All right, so I like lots of music. It really just depends on kind of the mood I am, who I'm with. But if I had to choose between country and hip hop, I'd probably go with hip hop.
That was probably unexpected for some. Sweet or salty?
Probably sweet.
Sports car or Jeep?
That's a hard one. Again, kind of depends on what you're doing, right? But if I had to choose between the two, I'd probably say sports car.
Guess that is a good time to give a plug to come out to Sport Cars and Coffee on a Saturday morning.
Absolutely. That's a lot of fun.
It really is. All right, final one. Beach or mountains?
This one's easy. Mountains, absolutely. I love being outdoors, especially in the mountains where it's a bit cooler, to be able to hike, maybe do some, if there's water around, do some kayaking or something like that, tubing. So love the mountains.
Lots of fun in the mountains. All right, final question for the day. Being a community-based credit union, we think supporting locals pretty important and pretty special. You alluded to a favorite local business, but if you had to pick one, which would be your favorite?
A local business that I frequent for haircuts that I have enjoyed kind of watching grow is actually Cuts for Guys. It's a local business. Started out in Short Pump, and I think they've got a couple additional locations now. But that is a local business that I value and enjoy visiting for haircuts.
That's awesome. I've learned of a new place to check out. Well, not for me, but for family.
Yeah, I think they'll welcome everyone. So.
Well, I thank you so much for joining us today. I hope everyone has enjoyed getting to know Chris a little bit better and perhaps in a new way and learn something new. And I hope you'll come visit us all at one of our branches. And maybe if you're lucky, you'll see Chris visiting one of them with you too. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you, Crystal. It's great to be with you today.
Have a great rest of your day, everyone.